Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You land and your priority is safety. Physically confirm the harness and attachment points are locked and snug. Once done, assess your body. Talk out loud so team, and you can hear breathing and orientation. Name any pain. Make sure the line tension is held steady by a trained operator, and keep your hands away from the cord. Stay calm because controlled breathing lowers heart rate and reduces shock, which helps you prepare for the next extraction step from the harness. Once the operator confirms stable tension, start the extraction. Follow their countdown and do not twist or lurch, because sudden motion can shift loads. When they ease the rope slightly, bring feet under you and let your legs accept weight slowly. This engages large muscles and prevents neck strain. Keep your core tight and use your shoulder blades to steady the upper body while the crew lowers you or hauls you up. Make sure to breathe evenly so your muscles stay oxygenated and responsive. When both feet touch ground, keep knees soft and posture neutral while the operator removes harness attachments. Do not attempt to unclip yourself until told, because premature movement risks equipment failure or residual rebound. Once detached, perform a slow head turn, finger wiggle, ankle bend. These simple mobility checks reveal nerve or circulation issues. If you notice pain, dizziness, numbness, or swelling, sit down. Call for medical evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.